guys, today we are doing another track fit, and today we are doing a quaddy bike. So let's get started. So let's also get to build our little trucky bike. It's now officially called a trucky bike. Trucky bike. Now we have built our little vehicle, quaddy bike. We can finally drive it and test it out. Test it out. Whee, rocket! Go Rocky, go it, go rocket. Go Rocky, go it, go rocket. Go Rocky, go it, go rocket. So there's loads of different obstacles in the way, and I did it. The quaddy bike is officially allowed to go on the road. So that's the end of this video.